X-Fly is a unique drone designed to mimic the natural flight of birds. It features a flapping mechanism that allows it to take off, hover, and maneuver in the air with remarkable agility. This innovative design enables X-Fly to navigate indoor and outdoor environments, even in moderate winds. Key features: flapping mechanism. X-Fly's flapping mechanism mimics the movement of bird wings, providing smooth, realistic flight and enhanced stability. Indoor and outdoor performance. X-Fly can handle both indoor and outdoor environments, making it versatile for various applications. Moderate wind resistance. X-Fly can withstand moderate winds, allowing it to fly in various conditions. Dynamic shadow projection. As X-Fly soars, it projects a dynamic shadow, creating an awe-inspiring visual effect. Quick and easy battery swaps. X-Fly facilitates quick and easy battery swaps, eliminating the need for extended downtime. Endless expandability. X-Fly is designed with endless expandability, allowing for future upgrades and customizations. Potential applications: aerial photography and videography. X-Fly's unique flight capabilities make it ideal for capturing stunning aerial footage. Product demonstrations and surveys. X-Fly can be used for product demonstrations and surveys, providing a more engaging and immersive experience. Educational and entertainment purposes. X-Fly can be used for educational purposes, such as learning about bird flight, and for entertaining purposes, such as aerial performances. Search and rescue missions. X-Fly's ability to navigate indoor and outdoor environments could be useful in search and rescue missions. Overall, X-Fly represents a significant advancement in drone technology, offering a more realistic and natural flying experience while expanding the potential applications of drones in various fields.